150 sentences for beginners. Emily wears a dress. Negative. Emily doesn't wear a dress. Yes, no question. Does Emily wear a dress? WH question. What does Emily wear? Tag question. Emily wears a dress, doesn't she? The chair is comfortable. Negative. The chair isn't comfortable. Yes, no question. Is the chair comfortable? WH question. How is the chair? Tag question. The chair is comfortable, isn't it? Sam and Ian cook dinner. Negative. Sam and Ian don't cook dinner. Yes, no question. Do Sam and Ian cook dinner? WH question. What do Sam and Ian cook? Tag question. Sam and Ian cook dinner, don't they? Lisa rides a bike. Negative. Lisa doesn't ride a bike. Yes, no question. Does Lisa ride a bike? WH question. What does Lisa ride? Tag question. Lisa rides a bike, doesn't she? John has a pen. Negative. John doesn't have a pen. Yes, no question. Does John have a pen? WH question. Who has a pen? Tag question. John has a pen, doesn't he?